So guys, finally हम हैं Smash में instead of 29 Gurgaon, and the weather is amazing apparently, so it's gonna be too much fun. We're here. Entrance pit stop. Here it is.
हमेशा सोचता है कि तू pit stop.
This amazing place. Rupal, anything, any comments you'd like to give to us? The audience would love to hear from you. No. Guys, it's me and my crew, and then we dropped this plan today. So apparently, guys, Rupal was about to get me a stuffed toy from the vending machine for my birthday. But seriously, what? Yeah, he gifts us, yeah. This is what she's referring to, by the way. But yes, we're both very bewildered looking at the gifts that we have in the vending machine apparently. So okay. What is it, guys? Finally we're here in Smash. It's a beautiful occasion. Do you want to take tickets for door charting? Finally 3 tickets for door charting. Yeah, 3. Okay, here we are. Getting us tickets. Huh? Finally, going upstairs, everybody. You can see him jumping all around. Ruchi. Guys, here we are. We have to wait for the line and there are people around. Waiting to register ourselves.
और गाइस हम अभी तैयारी कर रहे हैं जाने की. All set?
Yes. This is Nishan. This is Rupal. This is Jyoti. This is Kartik. That is Shivansh. और एक भाई लगा हुआ है.
Vinit.
तो हेलमेट तो पहन लो अपना.
हेलमेट तो ले लो.
अरे हेलमेट पहन ले भाई.
आ जाओ भाई रेसर वाला. Number 3 Vinit Sarawat.
Number 19 Shivansh Sangal.
Bobby Sarawat.
कार्तिक यादव.
निशांत राठी. उधर नंबर लिखा हुआ ऊपर.
कार्ड नंबर चेक कीजिए.
ज्योति, आई एम बिहाइंड यू. Jyoti, gonna beat you.
review experience was actually very good on top just because of this dumbass.
मैं जीता भाई.
I won! All these liars! All of these liars! I won! Mujhe, everybody, I won! All of these people have lost! Yeah, he
She
my
has
brother.
won from behind. She was the last one. She got.
I won from somewhere! I won from somewhere! But,
This is Nishan Zati signing off to you. Bye bye.
so our day comes to an end and the weather is amazing. It's raining. It's so beautiful out there. So
Or-
Rupal, how was your experience like that?
It was great.
Or
Is it? It was just great.
I'm
Now we
gonna
have another
edit
radio
it.
jockey here, RJ.
Lightning, guys. Lightning.
But yes, the day was too good.
So if you are planning for a good day in Gurgaon, come and visit here. It's really a good
Yes,
place.
it's a must visit in Gurgaon. Definitely. Go Smash!
Go Smash.